Nestled within the jungle, this tiny home welcomes you with serene surroundings. A gentle path guides you closer, inviting a moment of calm and connection with nature. Discover the vision of ZH Designs. From the front, the house shows its harmonious design. Every detail reflects a commitment to blending modern living with the natural world. Walking around this home, each perspective reveals new design details. The clean lines and natural materials ensure it sits gracefully within its environment. Rising elegantly from the jungle floor, the structure is simple, functional, and beautifully proportioned, a true testament to thoughtful design. Through the expansive back window, daylight illuminates the interior, creating a seamless connection between indoors and the surrounding greenery. Above, a rectangular skylight fills the space with warm sunlight, enhancing the airy and open atmosphere of the home. From the front, the home balances contemporary design with its natural setting, an ideal place to unwind and enjoy peaceful living. Approaching the entrance, the ZH Designs emblem marks the beginning of a thoughtfully planned and inviting interior space. Inside, the space opens to a functional living and work area. Natural light, the desk, and seating create a harmonious and productive environment. On the upper deck, a cozy double bed rests beneath a large window, with a smart storage solution keeping essentials neatly tucked away. The kitchen area is compact yet efficient, featuring a stove and washing machine designed to maximize space without compromising comfort. Sliding the door open, the washroom offers a tidy and functional space designed for everyday convenience. The shower area is streamlined and practical, combining simplicity with modern aesthetics. Every element in the shower is designed to manage space and water efficiently, keeping the area clean and organized. The toilet, neatly arranged towels, and sliding door maximize functionality while maintaining privacy in a compact footprint. The desk faces large windows, inviting natural light and inspiring productivity. The layout emphasizes openness and comfort. From every angle, the interior balances thoughtful design and practical living. The open ceiling enhances the spacious feel, making the home feel much larger than it is. Ascending the stairs, the upper deck awaits with a double bed and side table. Clever storage keeps the space tidy while offering a cozy, inviting retreat. The wide pathway leading away from the house encourages quiet reflection and a gentle stroll through the lush surroundings. From above, the upper deck reveals itself fully, practical, inviting, and designed for comfort amidst the jungle. With the ceiling removed, the camera showcases the entire ground space. The ZH Designs logo stands as a mark of harmony between modern architecture and nature. As night falls, the house glows softly in golden light, a quiet refuge in the midst of nature. Every side of this tiny house tells a story of design, comfort, and connection with the natural world, a sanctuary brought to life by ZH Designs.